In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. We'll walk through how to add the built-in time tracking field to your project so you and your team can start logging actual hours spent on tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get this set up without any confusion. First, go ahead and log into your Asana account and open the specific project where you want to track time. You can be in the list board or any project view, but for this demonstration, I'll assume you're in the list view. Make sure you're on the correct project, because the changes we're about to make will apply only to this project's layout and fields. Once your project is open, look toward the upper right-hand side of the screen for the Customize option. This is usually a button or panel that lets you control what fields, rules, and other features are visible in the project. Click on Customize to open the Customization panel. Inside this panel, find the section labeled Fields. This is where you manage all the columns that appear in your project, such as assignee, due date, and any custom fields you've created. Click on Fields to expand it so you can see what's already available for your project. If you don't already see a field related to time tracking or time worked, you will need to add one. Look for an Add button within the Fields section and click on it. This tells Asana that you want to bring in an additional field to your project view. A list of options will appear, and this is where you'll look for Asana's built-in time tracking tools. Select the option that says Time Your Work. This is a predefined set of fields designed specifically for tracking how much time you spend on tasks. Clicking this ensures you're using Asana's native structure rather than building something from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to choose specific time-related fields. Look for the one labeled Actual Time. This is the field where you or your teammates will enter the real amount of time spent on each task, such as 1.5 hours or 30 minutes.